Hurry up.
In school, were you the best drawer? I never really ranked myself, but there were a lot of good artists in my school. There was this one kid named Ian who was a fantastic drawer. He had a specific style that I totally envied. Now looking back, he kind of inspired me to improve my art and create my own style. Do you prefer drawing DC or Marvel characters? I really don't have a preference. I know right now Marvel characters are very popular, so I've been doing a lot more of those, but I did grow up reading a lot more DC comics, hence this thing on my head. Can you do digital art? Absolutely, I love Photoshop. I was actually self-taught. Back in the day, there really wasn't a school that taught Photoshop. I just kept tinkering around with the tools and discovered new techniques as I went. How are you so good at drawing circles?
He or she is really good at drawing circles.
Well, thanks, Donovan. I think the best answer to this is that I kept practicing. Now, I don't go out of my way to practice drawing circles, but with most of my drawings, there's always a circle involved, and over the years, they just kept getting better and better. What's your favorite Marvel character? Now this is a tough one, I have a lot of favorites. I really like Iron Man because of the evolution of the suit, but I also like the Hulk because I actually worked on the video game. I was actually on the set of the first Hulk movie and got to see a lot of cool things and how the movie was made. What's your favorite movie of all time? I love Godzilla movies. I love Godzilla 2. I grew up watching Godzilla movies, the old Japanese classics, but I can also appreciate a good Disney movie. Right now, I'm watching movies that I watched as a kid, and most recently, just watched E.T. with my family. So if I had to choose a favorite right now, it would probably be E.T. What's your favorite animal? The honey badger.
Oh, the honey badgers are just crazy.
What's your editing app? So all the videos on my channel, I edit in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've been using this tool for a very long time. It's fairly easy to use. The interface is similar to Adobe Photoshop, which I also use to color all my drawings. Donovan asks, what's your favorite Marvel film? Ooh, that's a hard one, but I think I'm gonna have to say Avengers Endgame. It was a long movie, but it was packed with action and had a great storyline. What is your favorite series to draw? Well, because I've been drawing Pokemon since the beginning of this channel, I'd probably have to say Pokemon. Out of all the brands that make art supplies, which one is your favorite? Well, I'm gonna probably have to say Sharpie because I use it in all my drawing lessons. Crayola products are great, it does a fine job in coloring my drawings. I've used Copic markers in the past. They're quite expensive, so I don't use them that often. And plus, I prefer coloring in Photoshop. How did you learn to draw so well? And the best answer to that is that I keep practicing. The more you draw, the better you'll get. So that's why I post new lessons every single day. How many kids do you have and how much do you draw with them? Well, I have 2 young kids aged 8 and 10. They both love drawing as much as I do, so it is a regular activity at home. Do you like yourself or your drawings? How do you never mess up on your drawing? I almost always mess up on my drawings. The thing you don't see on camera are the mistakes. So sometimes I'll draw the same drawing 2 or 3 times to get it right. Do you play PS4, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch? Well, I just bought my son a Switch last Christmas, so we enjoy playing games on that platform. And I also like the fact that you can carry it around easily. Are you subscribed to PewDiePie? What inspires you to draw? I'd say the bulk of my inspiration comes from my family and from my fans. And as my channel continues to grow, it gives me confidence that I'm providing valuable content. So Danny asks, why do you draw and what is your goal? So I draw because I love drawing. I can't imagine my life without it. And my short-term goals is to continue what I'm doing and continue to create better content. And my long-term goal is to eventually get the diamond play button for hitting 10 million subscribers. What made you want to be an artist? I think the idea is to do things that you love. And I love drawing, and I knew at a very young age that I could continue drawing every single day and not get tired of it. And because I was so passionate about art, I knew this is something I had to do for the rest of my life. I hope you enjoyed this episode of reading your comments. If you want your question featured in the next one, please drop them down below. I hope you have an epic day. We'll see you again soon.